Okay, here we go. There we go. Oh, yes, you like that, don't ya? Okay, let's go inside. See, Precious is looking for some too. There we go, Precious. What about you, Dave? Oh, that's it. Come on, Dave. Open her up. Open your wings. Ellie's looking for more. She's coming right through my squirter. They love bath time. Except Ellie there. He just sits there. The Peepers, I mean. All three of them just loving their bath time. Come on, Ellie. Come get some. There we go. Pretty boy. Yeah, there we go. Okay, Daddy's going to take a fit. He's going to think I'm squirting you too much. I know you want more. You're going to chirp to me, aren't you? Watch. Chirp to me, just give you more. Chirp. What do you want? Do you want some? Okay. You fool. You fool. And these two inside. But Peepers doesn't. Oh, there, look. Peepers spreading his wings. Look at that. Oh my God, I got all 4 birds loving their bath today. All 4 of them. Look at that. Cage is kind of wet, but hey, they're all loving their bath today. Look at Peepers. Peepers is just loving it. And Precious getting all of the fun. Steaming in the back. And there's Ellie. Think Giza would like some? Oh, there he goes. He doesn't like it too much. Come on, G. Hello, Ellie. Okay, we're done. We're done. The floor's soaked. I gotta wash the floor in a hurry.